Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. The North Pole is a very cold and interesting place. It is full of mysteries. Many scientists, explorers, and nature lovers want to learn more about it. In this video, we will talk about where the North Pole is, how it was made, what animals live there, and why it is so special. Where is the North Pole? The North Pole is the top of the Earth. All lines of longitude meet there. It is in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. There is no land under the North Pole, the top of the Earth located in the middle of the Arctic Ocean, only water and thick ice. The ice is about 2 to 3 meters thick. The ocean under the ice is very deep, about 4 kilometers. How did the North Pole form? The North Pole is far from the sun, so it is always cold. In winter, more ice forms. In summer, some of the ice melts. This process helps balance the temperature of the Earth. Nature and climate, no land. It is only ocean with ice on top. Temperature. In summer, it is around 0 degrees Celsius. In winter, it can go down to minus 34 degrees Celsius. Light. From October to March, it is dark all the time. From April to September, it is light all the time. Rain. The North Pole is like a desert. It does not get much rain or snow. Geographic and magnetic North Pole. Geographic North Pole. This is the exact top of the Earth. It never moves. Magnetic North Pole. This point moves a little every year. Right now, it is moving closer to Russia. North Pole versus South Pole. The North Pole is in the ocean. The South Pole is on land. The North Pole is warmer than the South Pole because water is warmer than land. More animals live near the North Pole. People live in areas near the North Pole, like the Inuit. No one lives at the South Pole all year. Only scientists visit. No country owns the North Pole. The South Pole is protected by a special agreement. Animals in the North Pole. Even though it is cold, some animals live there. Polar bears. They are the top hunters. They eat seals. Narwhals. These are whales with long spiral tusks. Caribou and Arctic foxes. They live near the North Pole. Beluga whales. These white whales also live in the Arctic. Penguins do not live in the North Pole. They live in the South Pole. Fun and surprising facts. There is no time zone at the North Pole. People can use any time. At the North Pole, every direction is south. Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights, happens here. These are colorful lights in the sky. There is a race called the North Pole Marathon every year. Santa Claus is said to live at the North Pole, but he really comes from Lapland, Finland. The magnetic North Pole moves a little every year. There may be a lot of oil and gas under the Arctic ice. Some people say polar bears are left-handed, but science does not prove this. The Arctic Ocean is calm compared to other oceans, with fewer big waves or storms. Climate change and the future. Global warming is a big problem for the North Pole. The ice is melting very fast. By the year 2035, there might be no ice in the summer. This can cause new ship routes between Europe, Asia, and America. Big problems for animals and nature. New political and environmental challenges for the world. The North Pole is not just ice and snow. It is a special place with animals, science, and beauty. By learning more about the North Pole, we can understand more about our planet. We must take care of the Earth before it is too late. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.